We stand at the threshold of the greatest industrial revolution in history. No longer science fiction. Mining floating islands of metal is becoming reality in 2024. Imagine a single object so valuable it could collapse our global economy. This is 16 Psyche, a celestial body composed almost entirely of precious heavy metals. Valued at an estimated $10,000 quadrillion, this giant metallic rock contains enough wealth to make every person on Earth a multi-billionaire instantly. To put this in perspective, its value is many times greater than the entire global GDP. It represents a wealth beyond anything humanity has ever seen. With the participation of NASA and bold startups like AstroForge, the dream of an interplanetary industrial empire is finally taking its first concrete steps today. Advanced scanning lasers are already mapping these surfaces, identifying high concentration zones where the most valuable minerals are hidden beneath the ancient, dusty crust. The hunt is on for the trillion-dollar prizes. A new era of resource acquisition is starting, and the stakes could not be higher for our future. As we deplete the treasures of our home planet, we must look to the stars to sustain the next 1,000 years of human technological progress. Scientists categorize asteroids into 3 main groups. But the M-type, or metallic asteroids, are the true holy grail for space miners and industrial pioneers alike. These metallic giants are essentially the exposed cores of dead planets that failed to form billions of years ago, leaving their riches accessible in space. On Earth, most heavy metals sank to the core during formation. That is why gold and platinum are so rare and difficult to find today. M-type asteroids are the fragments of those ancient cores. They contain concentrations of platinum and iridium hundreds of times higher than any mine on Earth. NASA has already identified thousands of near-Earth asteroids that are within reach, acting as perfect candidates for the first wave of commercial mining operations. These rocks are packed with platinum, palladium, and iridium. A single 500-meter asteroid could contain more platinum than has ever been mined in history. Terrestrial mining is becoming increasingly destructive and expensive. We are forced to dig deeper and move more Earth for smaller and smaller rewards every year. Space mining offers a cleaner alternative. By moving our heavy industry off-planet, we can allow Earth's environment to heal while still fueling our growing technology. The demand for lithium and platinum is skyrocketing due to the green energy transition. Without space resources, we may face a critical shortage very soon. And each M-type asteroid is a concentrated treasure chest. They are not just rocks. They are high-grade ore bodies waiting for the right tools to unlock. Missions like Psyche are the pathfinders. They provide the data needed to choose which asteroids will be the first to be harvested by robots. To conquer these mountains of metal, we need a new kind of technology. Standard drilling won't work in the harsh environment of zero gravity. Enter optical mining. By using massive parabolic mirrors to concentrate sunlight, we can create temperatures hot enough to melt solid rock into vapor instantly. Traditional mechanical mining is a nightmare in zero gravity. Without weight to hold you down, a drill simply spins the spacecraft instead of the rock. Optical mining bypasses this problem. It uses heat to cause sublimation, turning solid minerals directly into gas that can be easily captured and processed. As the rock vaporizes, it is collected within a giant inflatable containment bag. Now this prevents valuable material from drifting away into the infinite void. Inside these bags, the mineral vapors cool and condense. This allows for the high purity collection of metals without ever having to touch a shovel. The process is incredibly efficient. By controlling the temperature, we can selectively vaporize and separate different metals based on their specific boiling points. This solar-powered furnace is the heart of the operation. It is a clean, limitless source of energy, that requires no fuel from Earth to operate. The result is a concentrated ore that is much lighter and easier to transport. This is the key to making space mining economically viable. Once the surface is harvested, the system resets. A single spacecraft can hop from one asteroid to another, collecting riches across the solar system. In the absence of gravity, centrifugal force is our best friend. It allows us to refine materials with a precision that is impossible on Earth. We can create alloys with perfect consistency. Without gravity to cause settling, we can mix metals into revolutionary new materials for advanced aerospace applications. This isn't just a prototype, it is a scalable industrial architecture. Hundreds of these units could transform the asteroid belt into a global powerhouse. This clean, efficient method is our ticket to the stars. It represents a fundamental shift in how we think about resource extraction and manufacturing. Distance is the enemy of space exploration, but AI is the solution. Autonomous robots are being designed to operate millions of miles away from Earth. These robots don't need oxygen or food. They can spend years in the deep dark, patiently carving out the wealth of the heavens for humanity. To travel these vast distances, we use the magic of ion propulsion. Now, these engines use electricity to accelerate ions to incredible speeds with very little fuel. Solar power is the lifeblood of these missions. In the vacuum of space, the sun provides a constant and reliable source of energy for propulsion. Ion thrusters are incredibly efficient, allowing ships to maintain thrust for months or even years.
Check the telemetry.
They are the marathon runners of the cosmos. By combining AI navigation with efficient engines, we can transport tons of cargo across the solar system for a fraction of the traditional cost. AI manages the complex logistics. Onboard computers handle real-time decisions, while humans on Earth provide the high-level strategic oversight from mission control. Computer vision allows these robots to identify the best rocks to mine. They are becoming smarter every day, learning how to handle unexpected celestial terrain. A mothership can deploy a swarm of drones to explore multiple targets simultaneously, while maximizing the chances of finding high-purity metallic veins in deep space. This technology makes the vastness of space manageable. We are no longer limited by how much fuel we can carry from the Earth's surface. The first experimental flights in 2024 and 2025 will prove the viability of these systems. We are watching the birth of a new transport industry. Every sample returned to Earth provides invaluable data. We are learning how to survive and thrive in the most hostile environment known to man. Autonomous mining is the only way forward. It removes the risk to human life and allows us to operate on a truly cosmic scale. Bringing raw rock back to Earth is a logistical mistake. The future lies in processing these resources exactly where we find them, in orbit. These orbital refineries will serve as the gas stations and factories of the high frontier, creating a self-sustaining ecosystem far above the clouds. Us major global corporations are already researching the potential of space-based manufacturing. The vacuum of space offers unique advantages for high-tech industrial processes. The refinery takes in raw, dusty ore and produces ultra-pure ingots of gold, platinum, and steel, ready for use in construction or electronics. Without gravity, we can manufacture materials with zero defects. These space-made alloys will be stronger and lighter than anything we can produce on the ground. These refined materials are the building blocks of the space age. They will build the ships that take us to Mars and beyond. By refining in space, we avoid the massive energy cost of lifting heavy materials out of Earth's deep and demanding gravity well every time. Space manufacturing is the ultimate circular economy. We use local materials to build local infrastructure. reducing our dependence on the home planet's limited resources. The Earth-Moon corridor will become the busiest industrial zone in history. It is the beginning of a truly interplanetary supply chain and economy. This is a new frontier for labor and innovation. Thousands of jobs will be created in space-based metallurgy, engineering, and orbital logistics management. The economy of the future won't be measured in dollars, but in kilowatts and tons of refined materials harvested from the vast asteroid belt. Small amounts of high-value materials can be sent back to Earth, while the bulk stays in space to fuel the expansion of our civilization. The Moon will be our first industrial outpost. Built from asteroid steel, it will serve as the gateway to the rest of our solar system. Mining and refining in space isn't just about profit. It's about making space exploration sustainable and affordable for all of humanity to enjoy. We are building a new world above our heads. A world where resources are infinite and the possibilities for growth are truly endless.
Khai thác thiên thạch không chỉ là về tiền bạc, mà là về sự sinh tồn và phát triển của giống loài chúng ta trong vũ trụ bao la.
When the resources of Earth are finally exhausted, the space industrial complex will be the new anchor for the global human economy and survival. The roadmap is clear. From testing in 2024 to full commercial operations by 2030, we are moving faster than anyone could have predicted. NASA's Psyche mission is just the beginning. It is the first step in a grand journey to map the wealth of our entire solar system. Private companies like AstroForge are the pioneers. They are taking the risks that will lead to the greatest rewards in human history. Those who master the technology of space mining today will be the leaders of the global industrial empires of the very near tomorrow. The next generation will grow up in a world where space is part of our everyday economy. They will be the first true citizens of the stars. Our vision is expanding. We are no longer limited by the boundaries of our home planet. The entire universe is now our backyard. The race has begun. $1 trillion prize is waiting for those brave enough to reach out and claim it from the silent, frozen void. It is a journey of 1,000 steps, and we have just taken the first and most important one toward our destiny among the stars. The resources of one asteroid could power our civilization for centuries. Imagine what an entire galaxy of them could do for our species. Are you ready for the age of space industry? Join us as we explore the technologies that will define the future of our civilization. The future is bright, it is metallic, and it is waiting for us. This is the story of how we will conquer the final frontier. Thank you for watching this journey into the trillion-dollar space empire. Subscribe for more deep dives into the future of humanity's expansion.